One of the hardest parts about mushroom hunting for me is deciding where to go. But one of the things that really makes it easier is figuring out where it's rained. So I'm going to show you the process I go through to decide where I want to go mushroom hunting. Start out by going to water.weather.gov. Click on the Past Weather tab, Water, and then Precipitation. This image is showing you how much rain has fallen so far today. I'm going to scroll into Minnesota here. Not a whole lot going on. I don't really care about what's fallen today because I want to know what's fallen in the last week to 2 weeks. So this is kind of handy. We've got a little time range box down here. Click on the last 7 days. And make sure this Imperial tab is clicked so that the rain is displaying in inches. And then I also like to change the transparency so I can see through this layer a little bit better. Drop that down a little bit. So as you can see, there's hardly any rain throughout the state, but there is this little swath right here. Kind of curious where that is, so you can scroll in. And looks like we got some rain in Mankato. So this yellow is showing between 2 and 3 inches at the most in this little area here. Kind of curious how much has fallen in the last 14 days, so I'm going to click on that tab. Yep, definitely seeing a lot of rain in the last couple weeks. Just going to take a look again at the whole state. So yeah, it looks like there's some rain up here, but that, as we saw before, hasn't been within the last 7 days. So I'm kind of thinking I'm going to go to Mankato. If you want to take it a step further, I like the Weather Underground website, and I pull up the Wonderground Map. Wonder Map. So we are going to scroll into Mankato to kind of see where or how often or when did that rain actually fall. So I think that swath was just right around in here. Click on that, open up the station. And then I just scroll down to this weather history part and choose the monthly mode. Lots of ads on this site, which is annoying, but it's very helpful. So, and then click view. You can quickly see in the month of July so far, they've had 4.5 inches of rain here, which is awesome. Scroll down a little bit more and you've got the whole month here and the graphs that go along with it. So here is your precipitation part. So this is up until today, but yesterday, you have to scroll up to see the date, but yesterday they got about 3/4 of an inch of rain. And then you can see, what is this? On the 9th, so about 5-6 days ago, they got 2.4 inches of rain, which is awesome. I typically look for places that have had rain 3 or more days ago, because that's when they've had time to grow to a nice big mushroom. So yeah, I'm definitely going to head to Mankato this weekend. Maybe I'll see you there. Hope that helped.